Hello, everyone. I hope everyone is having a great summer. So, I want to share this recipe that I found. This is my first time trying to make it, and I really hope it comes out well. I'm actually making bread out of lentils. So, there's no flour, there's no egg, simple recipe. So, I'm giving it a try and hoping for the best. I first start out by soaking 2 cups of red lentils overnight. Now they say you can soak it up to 8 hours, but I just let it soak 24 hours in the refrigerator. Then I drained it. I rinsed the lentils off a couple of times and then I drained it. Then next I'm going to add it to my blender with 1 cup of water, a dash of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, I use 1 teaspoon of dry rosemary, or you can add whatever herb you would like, and then 1 tablespoon of aluminum-free baking powder. So I'm going to blend to smooth. I'm first going to put it on the low setting. So this is, I believe this bread will be keto friendly for those who are watching their carbs and sugar intake. I'm just hoping that I love bread. So if I can get this with lentils, that will definitely be great. So as you can see, I'm still blending it to smooth. And it's pretty smooth. And this is on the low setting. And next I'm going to give it a blend on medium, just to make sure. First, let me check the texture to make sure I blend all the lentils. And I'm seeing some pieces that did not blend yet, so I will blend again on medium. Now I don't know if you can, I guess you can pretty much use the brown lentils also. So now that I'm going to blend it one more time on high speed just to make sure I really have all the lentils then I line my brush pan with a little bit of oil, and then I place the parchment paper, because I don't want the parchment paper to stick to the pan because the mixture is pretty wet. And I'm going to bake in the oven at 355 degrees for 50 minutes. Now, I found this recipe on YouTube. In the description, I'll give you the name of the YouTube content creator that baked the bread. So we're going to see how it turns out. I'm really hoping for the best. And also, what you don't see in the video, I top the bread with everyday seasoning. I sprinkle a little bit on top, and then I placed it in the oven. So we will see how it turns out. I have a question. I bought a turnip and I cooked it, and it was delicious. And I decided to put the end in water, and as you can see, I have turnip greens growing. My question is, do I plant it in dirt now and let it grow? Do I plant it outside, or can I plant it in a pot? Should I plant it in a dirt now and just see how much turnip greens I will get? Isn't that incredible? All right, let me go check my bread now. Now we're gonna slice it and see how it's sliced, how it holds up. All right, so now it's time for the taste. Now the texture is, it's spongy. I think it will toast well. Ooh. I think it will toast well. It is holding up. Now remember, this is made with just lentils. No flour, no egg, no dairy. So the texture may be somewhat different from bread that you normally eat, but can we work with it? So let's see. I taste the rosemary, which gives it a nice flavor. I would always recommend using some kind of herb seasoning to just give it a nice flavor. The rosemary works very well. I would definitely eat this for my bread, without a doubt. It's very good, very tasty, just enough salt. And then I also topped it with the Everything seasoning. And that has a little bit of salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some sesame seed. I'm very happy with it. Very good. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope you try this recipe. Easy to make, quick, easy. Pre-slice it. And when I slice my bread and I'll put it in the freezer, in between each slice, I'm going to put parchment paper so I can just get one slice at a time. Very good. I'm happy.